Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to hard reset or factory reset your Moto G phone. And this is really easy to do. So we want to locate the power button on the side. So hold this down and then hold down the volume down key at the same time. And this will launch into the recovery mode. So it might take like a screenshot and the camera might open up. Just go ahead and hold down these two buttons at the same time. And the screen should turn off and then it should boot into this recovery screen. And you have to use the volume up and down keys now. And then let's go to recovery mode. Then press the power button to enter recovery mode. It'll launch us into this Android screen where it says no command. So just wait past this screen and here's no command. Now hold down the power button and then tap the volume up button. Select that. Then you are going to be brought to this screen. Use the volume down key and go to where it says wipe data and factory reset. Now it says down here, if your phone is reset, you'll need to enter the Google account information, email address, and password associated with this phone to be able to use it again in the future. So select the power button on this, and it'll factory reset and wipe all the data off your phone. So if you are having issues with it, go ahead and try this out. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on YourSixTech.